माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
नियम 377 के अधीन मामले सभा पटल पर रखने के लिए अध्यक्ष द्वारा की जाने। माननीय सदस्यगण, जिन्हें आज नियम 377 के अधीन मामले उठाने की अनुमति दी गई है, वे व्यक्तिगत रूप से तत्काल मामले का अनुमोदित पाठ सभा पटल पर प्रस्तुत करें। आइटम नंबर 13, motion of thanks on the President's address, Shri G.M. Harish Balyogi ji.
Honorable Chairman, sir, I rise behalf of my party Telugu Desam to extend the support to the gracious address of the Honorable President of India. The address presents a confident national roadmap rooted in reform, inclusions and long-term competitiveness. The vision of Vikasit Bharat 2047 reflects a shift from managing short-term outcomes to shaping enduring economic strength, institutional capacity and global relevance. At the center of this transformation lies technology and digital leadership.
Please go back to your
The
chair.
President addresses rightly highlights
to your chairs.
the creation of 25 lakh jobs
Please go
in
back to your
electronics
chairs. Please go back to
manufacturing
your chairs.
and the engagement of more than 1 crore young Indians across the IT services and global capability centers. Extending tax incentives for data centers and cloud service providers until 2047 sends a strong signal of policy certainty and positions India as a trusted global hub for data, computing and artificial intelligence while generating high-quality employment. Decentralized technology-led growth is now visible on the ground. My state, Andhra Pradesh, offers a strong example. Nearly 25% of national investment proposals in the 2025-26 flowing into the state, including the proposed $15 billion Google AI Hub, the 98,000 digital connection hyperscale campus, and the 500 megawatt frontier data center. This monument, driven by the focused policy leadership under the Honorable IT Minister Shri Nara Lokesh Garu, demonstrates what coordinated center-state governance and infrastructure readiness can achieve. Technology governance must advance in parallel with this growth, with emphasis on regulations and enforcement regarding the data privacy, intellectual property, data privacy, intellectual property and cyber crimes to counter modern day misuse of technology such as deepfakes, manipulation and digital addiction, especially amongst our youth. The use of AI in mental health care must strictly regulated, with digital platforms operating under clear standards of private protection, ethical designs and clinical accountability. Chairman, sir.
नहीं चलने दो नहीं तुम पूरा करो तुम पूरा
Sir, अब end करूंगा sir. Sir, 2 minutes. If technology is the engine of growth, education and skilling are the fuel that powers it. The 3,200 crore allocation for Atal Tinkering Labs strengthens innovation, but inclusion must remain central, especially when only 35% of the schools in our country currently accommodate children with special needs. The decision to establish one girls' hostel in every district expands highest education access, but empowerment must translate into entrepreneurship and economic participation. As a panelist at the Vikasit Bharat Young Leaders Dialogue, I witnessed strong entrepreneur. Sir, with this also, due to the aspect of time, sir, Chairman, sir, I would like to conclude. As I conclude, the President address is a call to the national responsibility at a defining moment in India's journey. The vision of the Viksit Bharat is not confined to one's government or one electoral cycle. It is a continuous national mission demanding discipline, continuity, and collective resolve. We, the Telugu Desam Party, as part of the NDA government, stand firmly committed to this mission. We believe cooperative federalism, policy stability, and strong institution will form the foundation of Viksit Bharat. Thank you, sir.
ठीक है सर, उसको बंद करो अभी, उसको बंद करो।
माननीय